Thanks for clicking on the video of our 2023 8250 combine with 325 over 245 separator hours. 1 year use. I'm here in Rochelle, Illinois. This combine came from a guy just outside of town. We've dealt with him on new combines for as long as I can remember. I still recall going out one day and talking to him and telling him, oh, our combine has got 620s or R1Ws, and he told me, well, all 620s are R1Ws. This guy knows combines, knows specs, understands machines better than I ever will, and he takes care of things better than pretty much anyone else I know. Unfortunately, all we do with him is much we do with him is combines. I really wish we had his tractor business, but I'm happy to trade combines every year with him because this is what you get. It's perfect. I think you'll find everything on this combine is well maintained, not beat up. The specs are right. You'll click on the service log and you'll find the original build sheet. It's got the fore and aft, harvest command, rock trap, heavier lift cylinders for the feeder house. We did run this through the CPO program, and it does have the extended engine driveline warranty. Go inside here and take a look at the cab. Immaculate. Bear in mind we did clean it up ourselves, but it's pretty easy to deal with. Great when you get great. Here are all the controls. Again, well maintained. Very sharp combine. Pro 700, as you know. And we'll pull up the hours on it and just give you a little evidence. Differential lock. Again, go to the service log. You can find the spec sheet or the original build sheet on this combine. There's the 325 engine, 242 on the separator. So once again, thanks for watching the video of our 2023 8250 combine.